Guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Antigravity CLI on Windows 11 operating system. So to get the command in Google search box, write there Antigravity, then go on this antigravity.com site. Now thereafter product, then click on this Antigravity, then click on this Antigravity CLI, click on install button. Thereafter you can try there PowerShell or command prompt. So PowerShell you need to download this separately and use. Windows command prompt, it's already available in every Windows 11 operating system. So here you need to copy this command. So thereafter open the command prompt and paste there. Press enter. So here you can see by clicking this you can copy, and here control V to paste. Now this is curl, and here Google CLI install CMD, this all, and this is currently doing some download as well as install. So this will take some time to complete this. Now you can see this all that's come there running Antigravity CLI setup, and this here path that is already configured in user path. So path that configure, and this all. So Antigravity CLI installed successfully. AGY.exe is fine. Now here run AGY to start. So let's write there AGY. So first checking the version. So AGY, this is 100 version that install. Thereafter write there AGY. Then this so you can get there. Select login. So Google account, first press enter. The next is here you need to copy this. Select this all. Control C to copy, and this you can paste in the browser. So let's paste there. So Firefox has some issue. So for this one that I'm going to open there Microsoft, this, paste this. So login with. Now you can get this code, copy this code, and thereafter here or this here. So shift plus up or down button you need to press. So let's press the down button. Then you can get this here or paste this authentication code. So paste the authentication code, then after press enter. So this is now signing. So after pasting here, you can use the thin, light, dark, this. So let's select their dark. This selected there, then after click on this turn. Yes, I trust. And now Antigravity CLI is ready to use. Let's write there hi. So this returning there. The next question is what exactly generative AI. So this is now returning this on. So this is how we can install this Antigravity CLI on Windows 11. So I hope guys this video is so helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.